Are you looking to enhance the security of your Instagram account on your PC? In this video, we will guide you through the steps to enable security alerts on Instagram. Let's dive in. To begin, open Instagram.com on your web browser. Next, locate your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Then, click on the gear icon to open the settings and privacy options. In the Accounts Center, click on See More. Navigate to Password and Security and select it. Under the options, find Login Alerts and click on your account. Here, you can activate in-app notifications for added security measures. By enabling in-app notifications, you will receive alerts directly on your device in case of any suspicious login activity on your Instagram account. This feature adds an extra layer of protection to help you keep your account secure. Once you have activated the in-app notifications, you can rest assured that you will be promptly informed about any unauthorized access attempts. Take control of your Instagram account's security by setting up login alerts and staying vigilant against potential security threats. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and secure online.